In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from MYOB to Xero. We'll use a trusted migration service to move your core accounting data across smoothly, and I'll explain what you'll see on screen so you can follow with confidence. Before we begin, it helps to have access to your MYOB file and to know which MYOB product you're using, as well as administrator access to your Xero organization. If possible, make a quick backup of your MYOB data and tidy obvious issues like duplicate contacts, because cleaner data migrates more reliably. Start by going to the Data Switcher website in your browser. Data Switcher specializes in accounting system conversions and provides a guided flow designed for MYOB to Xero moves. You'll land on a page where you can start the process and get in touch if you need help. Take a moment to scan the page so you're comfortable with what's included in the service and any notes about supported MYOB versions and historical ranges. Next, select Migration Request. This opens the request flow where you outline what you want to move. You'll typically be asked for basic details about your business and the MYOB file you're converting. Keep your information accurate here, as it helps the migration team map your data correctly and set expectations for timing based on file size and complexity. When prompted to choose your source system, click on MYOB. If you use different MYOB products across entities, choose the one that matches the file you're migrating. This tells the tool how to interpret your chart of accounts, contacts, items, tax codes, and historical transactions. If you're unsure which MYOB product you have, check in your current software's About section or on your subscription billing page before continuing. You'll then see an option labeled, I want to convert to. This is where you specify the destination platform for your data. Think of it as confirming the translation direction, MYOB as the source, and your chosen accounting platform as the target, so the system can apply the right conversion rules. Finally, click on Xero. This confirms Xero as your destination and prepares the workflow to guide you through any remaining fields such as selecting time frames, confirming organization details, and securely connecting or providing access to the relevant files. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Data Switcher will handle the heavy lifting, mapping accounts, importing contacts, and moving historical transactions where supported. After the migration completes, plan to review your opening balances, tax rates, and a few sample invoices and bills in Xero to ensure everything looks right. That's all you need to get your MYOB data moving into Xero with clarity and minimal hassle.